Can y'all please pretend I'm famous? I want to see what it's like.
So show us how it works, Mary. So it's got a brush and everything, so put it down there and take that off. Like I say, it's all padded, the seat is really comfy. Shit in there. Just a stand up.
Oh my god, this is
extendable. Very, very good. Very good, guys.
No. Standing. Fold and then this is seats. This seats there. Yes, nice. Yeah. Seats is leather. Good. There you go. That's nice. Yeah. Like that. Ta-da! And there's a cover. It's good. What? So this is disabled toilet chair. You can use this one. Take off that one. And then got a cleaner brush here also. Put here like that. But I'd like to put like that only, then you can wipe your ass down there. If you put like that, just like you cannot clean it. So put like that, then you can clean your ass. Now cover. And also you can use this one for seats, look. Beautiful seats, you see, it's leather, it won't drop if you sit down here. Wow. And then sit down like that, and then if you want to shit, you're playing poker, you don't want to go out, Just a little bit like that, then pull out the shit. And like that. Shit, like it. Don't put down there. Okay.
What, the arms like uncomfortable, the arms?
The arm is plastic.
Is it easy to get on and off the arms?
Yeah, you can. It's good.
Does it go higher?
It's medium something. It's okay. It's not higher, but it's okay.
Can you make it higher?
I think. No, cannot. It's only like that.
I bought the higher one where you take the pins out.
Don't have. Cannot because it's thing already here.
Your highest.
That's the highest one.
Okay. What it is definitely is just
I don't know, it's adjustable, but you can fold it. Like, easy to fold, easy to take off. Look at that. And then close like that only.
good storage, use that storage.
Yeah. That's it. I don't know if you can put this in high, but this is lock, I think. Yeah, this is lock. Like that. I don't know what this is for. It's a lock, I think, yeah. Put like that. And then put lock. To avoid the fall down. That's it. And you know what, you can use this one even you're not shitting, because the seats are so comfortable. It's really comfortable, the seats. Just like that. Relaxing. Alright guys, come to my channel, buy for this one. I buy this one because Jimbo is sick last time. He keep got diarrhea, cannot run to the toilet directly. So this one is for next to your bed only, and then you can shit. This is good. Yeah, this is for emergency seats. If you got bad stomach and then you cannot run to the toilet, you just shit it here. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye. I'm gonna keep this on. Brush. After you use, clean it. It's good, this brush. Ta-da! Oops, still have thing here. I think I need to take off that one. I take off.